Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the game supports DirectX 11. This matters because some engines default to newer APIs. Once done, install the DirectX end-user runtimes and the recommended GPU driver so you have required libraries. Make a quick backup of game config files. Then open the game launcher or Steam, add the launch option Dx11 or the game's documented Dx11 flag to force the older renderer. This is the first actionable change that switches execution path. Now you adjust the middle layer. Open the game's config files and set renderer entries to DirectX 11, for example renderer equals Dx11 or enable Dx12 equals false. This forces the engine to choose Dx11 at startup. If the game still starts with Dx12, try a driver rollback to a stable driver that historically worked with Dx11. Once launched, check the in-game overlay, GPUZ, or the game's log file to confirm Dx11 is active. That verification saves. You finish by running a few test sessions and benchmarks to validate stability and performance under DirectX 11. Make small graphics tweaks to reach your target FPS and visual quality. If assets or shaders fail, repair game files or reinstall DirectX runtimes. Make sure power settings are not limiting the GPU. One key troubleshooting tip. If crashes or graphical corruption continue, check the game logs for renderer errors. Revert to your backups to restore defaults, then update drivers and retry before escalating to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.